yes, I want you to download this cheat sheet. Like, be clear and say what it is that you want to do in your writing, in your audio, if you're doing podcasts like us, or if you are creating some type of video content, pointing below, show a link up front, says, yeah, book an appointment with us. You know what I mean? Get clear on that, because if you fumble and you bumble, guess what? People are going to see there's a lack of confidence there, and they totally know you're really new. They can tell, okay? They're going to fill you out.
Absolutely.
Strategic placement. So this has been like a topsy-turvy type of a thing when it comes to strategic placement. Back in the day, in 2016, you could put a link inside your body of your content in social media, and people would see it and be like, Facebook's changed over the years. Now they don't like that kind of stuff. They want you to do it on your fan page. Well, we found a loophole, and it's basically in the comments thread. So all you have to do is, when you actually want somebody to go to visit your website and you want to move them away from Facebook, listen, just use the comments thread, post your URL, affiliate link, or whatever in the comments, and let them know in the description that it is located in the comments. That's a clear call to action, and that's a strategic placement of your call to action as well. Afternoon. Good afternoon, by the way.
Oh,
afternoon. Yeah, afternoon. When it comes to the afternoon, we know how busy it can be. The afternoon, especially if you have a work schedule like Rich did, he really can do much, right? But if you can squeeze some hours in there in the afternoon.
Like I remember going in my Jeep and
parking lot,
recording videos in my Jeep.
In the parking lot.
In the parking lot, okay, in the Jeep.
Creating content.
Right? Have something in my mind, I share it in that moment during my lunch hour.
Yes. And we taught a lot of our successful graduates of our coaching program to do the same. And they still to this day do it. Like, when they had their jobs before they fired their bosses, they decided to use that time wisely. And if they have a lunch break or a specific type of break that they can whip out their camera.
You were closing deals during your lunch break.
I was doing closes during my lunch break. I only have 15 minutes. So
there were so many people. I mean, you have to leverage the time.
I never made excuses. I definitely, I wanted to work on just that. And because I had a mission, and plus I had my why. My why was strong. I didn't want to freeze my tail off at work anymore. So I had to get out of that job. I really wanted to be out of there. The place that I was working at, it was like a hangar. And it was freezing in the wintertime.
Yeah, because the heater system broke.
Yes.
And they didn't want to fix it.
They didn't want to fix it. Yeah. Corporate didn't want to fix it. And so we were struggling as employees to go to work, and we would bundle up like Eskimos.
I walked in to get an electric heater and went right behind the counter. I don't care what Bob said.
I remember he did that.
Yeah, took care of you.
Yeah, he did. Yeah. So here's the other thing you want to work on is optimization and system automation. So optimizing your stuff, really important. Build the foundation, make sure everything is situated so it's set to public, people can find you, and then also work on your systems. Make sure they're working, because if you have broken systems, you're going to lose leads, you're going to lose sales.
And now with AI, we didn't have AI back then.
No.
And we have to do this all manually.
Yes.
So you guys got AI now. So, I mean, man, that can help you
if there is room and it's within your budget that you have to pay for this service, then do it. It's worth it, and you can automate the process. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you a lie, because that's not within my integrity to say, oh, you can automate the business 110%. No, BS. No way. You still have to involve yourself in the business, period.